Welcome to the future. Welcome to Futureino, one of China's largest manufacturers of robotic, intelligent, and interactive vending machines. With factories across China, a massive research and development center in Guangzhou, and a regional sales and support office in Dubai, we're building the future of automation. Our portfolio includes dozens of machine types and models, from robotic vending machines and smart kiosks to interactive experiences and AI-powered solutions. Every Futureino machine is designed to stand out, combining unique industrial design, immersive customer experiences, and the perfect blend of automation and entertainment. And when it comes to quality, we never compromise. Our machines are engineered to operate reliably for decades, built with premium components, precision engineering, and backed by technical support and customer service that meet the highest Western standards. Our mission is to empower entrepreneurs and businesses around the world. Futureino machines are designed to be one of the easiest, fastest, and most scalable business opportunities to launch, grow, and expand. Choosing Futureino means choosing confidence, innovation, and a trusted long-term partner. Join the future. Join Futureino.